Hello everyone, I'm Clay from A Frog's Dream in Long Valley, New Jersey, and today actually, instead of the weekly ribbit, I'm gonna actually share with you my very first video that I did. But why am I doing this now? The very first video I did on a different channel, and I shared something that happened to me that I've been talking about and talk about quite often this time of year, and I wanted to make sure you saw it too. So I hope you enjoy this raw, very first video I ever did. While it's not the best one, it's certainly informative and can show you what could possibly happen during the winter time that you might want to take steps to prevent. Hey Pond World, it's Clay from A Frog's Dream. I have some breaking news. After 10 years of talking about him, especially over the past 2 years, and not ever seeing one or him, he finally revealed himself. Can you guess what it was? The elusive pond wolf. I'm asked all the time, do they really exist? Do they really live in New Jersey? And honestly, every time I talk to somebody about it, I feel like I was talking about Bigfoot. Because I've never seen one, they've never seen one. And I talk about it all the time, especially in the winter time. But last night was a different story. And I saw him a place that I thought I would never seen him. In my own pond! Yes, Mother Nature doesn't care who you are. She always seems to win. She always seems to have something to say. So I was at my back door last night. I could see my pond from my back door, and the lights were on, the pond was running. I could see splashing and swimming going on in there. I'm thinking to myself, there's no way, it can't be. It can't be the fish. And then the next thought in my head is, Mink. Could it be this elusive pond wolf that I've been looking for, trying to see? So I went out there with my camera, and he swam into my skimmer real quick. So I got a shovel, took the cover off of my skimmer, and there he was. I got him on camera. I was so excited. I could finally tell everyone that I saw one, and I'm telling the truth. And he is real and not a fake thing or a figment of our imagination. But then it hit me. My fish. He's gonna eat all my fish. And I was a little more angry about it. Certainly wasn't talking so nicely last night. So I'm thinking to myself, he's either gotten all my fish or they're still in the fish caves hiding and he just showed up there. So it's 11 o'clock at night. And I'm thinking to myself, I have to do something about this now. So what was the first thing that popped in my head? Pitchfork. I'll get a pitchfork. But in about a half a second, I kind of figured that probably wouldn't be a really good idea. Using a pitchfork around my pond. So listening to my own advice that I tell everybody, that I write blogs about, that I talk about all fall and winter to everybody, I quickly went and got my pond eye, and I turned my pond pitch black. Now all I can do is hope. So just like many, I thought to myself, I've never seen one around here. I've never seen one around my house. I love my pond during the winter. I love to enjoy it. I didn't want it black. But from now on, I'm going to heed my own advice. And all I can say is shame on me for not listening to myself. So now you can say you've seen one swimming around in a pond guy's pond. Hopefully you don't ever have this problem. But I just wanted to let you know that in New Jersey, these creatures are around, so do something about it. If you need help, please give us a call or visit our website at afdpondsnj.com or give us a call at 908-339-5561. Have a great day, and thanks for listening. Hopefully we'll see you next time. So, thanks for watching, have a great week, and I hope you enjoy the video.